Have you noticed how seamlessly digital tools fit into our lives? Whether we're at home, at work, or on the go, it's almost impossible to imagine a day without them. From the moment we wake up and check our phones, to the late-night scroll before bed, digital technology is woven into every part of our routines. Let's take a closer look at how these tools have become so essential, and why they feel so effortless to use. Watching a movie on Netflix, collaborating on Google Docs, or video calling on Zoom, these are all powered by a revolutionary idea. These platforms let us connect, create, and be entertained, all without worrying about complicated installations or updates. Instead of owning software, we access it instantly, anywhere, anytime. Whether you're working from a park, catching up on emails at the airport, or editing a document from your couch, your favorite tools are always just a tap away. Need to design a card for a friend's birthday, or a quick poster for work? Canva is ready online, no downloads required. You can start a project on your phone and finish it on your laptop, picking up right where you left off. Want to shop or run a business? Local stores use Shopify to manage their online presence, process orders, and reach customers, all without building complex websites from scratch. It's never been easier for small businesses to go digital. These services are always available, maintained, and updated for us. You don't have to worry about missing out on the latest features or security fixes. Everything happens automatically, often while you sleep. The secret? They're all examples of software as a service, or SaaS. This model delivers powerful software over the internet, making it accessible to anyone, anywhere, on any device. SaaS has transformed how we use technology. No more buying boxes or installing disks. Gone are the days of waiting in line for the latest software release or worrying about losing your installation CD. Now we subscribe to services that are constantly improved behind the scenes. Updates roll out seamlessly, and new features appear without any effort on our part. It's a shift in ownership, access, and innovation. Instead of buying and owning, we access and experience. This change has opened up new possibilities for collaboration, creativity, and productivity. Imagine a team of experts working 24/7 to keep your tools running smoothly. They handle the technical details, so you can focus on what matters most: your work, your creativity, and your connections. SaaS is the backbone of our digital lives, supporting everything from entertainment and communication to business and learning. It's the invisible force that keeps our digital world running. Ready to explore how it all works? Let's dive deeper into the world of SaaS and discover the technology that powers our everyday experiences. So, what is SaaS? You've probably heard the term tossed around in tech conversations, business meetings, or even in the news. But what does it really mean? And why is it such a big deal in today's digital world? Think of it like subscribing to a milk delivery instead of buying a cow. Instead of owning the whole thing, you simply pay for what you need, when you need it. It's a convenient, flexible way to get exactly what you want, without the hassle of ownership or maintenance. With SaaS, you don't own the software, you rent it using it over the internet. This means you can access powerful tools and applications from anywhere, whether you're at home, in a coffee shop, or traveling abroad. The software itself lives on powerful servers, not your device. These servers are managed by experts who ensure everything runs smoothly, securely, and efficiently, so you don't have to worry about the technical details. You access SaaS through a browser or an app, just like logging into Google Docs or your favorite online service. There's no need for complicated installations or special hardware. No more installing giant programs or worrying about updates. Everything happens automatically in the background, so you can focus on your work, not on managing software. In the past, you bought software in a box, installed it once, and hoped it would last. Updates were rare, and if something broke, you were often on your own. Now SaaS companies handle updates, security, and maintenance for you. Their teams work around the clock to keep your software safe, reliable, and up to date, so you don't have to lift a finger. You always have the latest version, with no extra effort. New features and improvements are delivered instantly, so you're never left behind. All you need is an internet connection and a device. Whether you're on a laptop, tablet, or smartphone, SaaS fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. This makes advanced software accessible to almost anyone, anywhere in the world. It breaks down barriers, letting people collaborate and innovate together, no matter where they are. SaaS is more than just software. It's a service that keeps improving, adapting to your needs, and growing with your business or personal projects. It's a simple idea, but it's revolutionized technology. SaaS has changed the way we work, learn, and connect, making powerful tools available to everyone. That's the science behind SaaS. It's the future of software, easy, accessible, and always evolving to meet your needs. Let's take a journey through time and compare the old way of using software with the modern SaaS approach. The differences are striking, and they've changed the way we work, collaborate, and even think about technology. In the past, buying software was a major event. You'd head to the store, pay a hefty upfront cost, and come home with a box full of discs or CD-ROMs. Installation could take hours, and you'd cross your fingers that everything worked smoothly. Once installed, the software was tied to just one computer. If you wanted to use it elsewhere, you'd need to buy another copy or go through a complicated transfer process. And if your computer crashed or got a virus, you risked losing all your files, settings, and hard work. Backups were manual and easy to forget. Adding new users or upgrading to the latest version meant more money, more time, and often more headaches. You might even need to call in IT support just to get things running again. Fast forward to today, thanks to SaaS or software as a service, everything is different. Now you simply sign up online from anywhere at any time and you're ready to go in minutes. Most SaaS products let you start with a free trial, so you can test the features and see if it's right for you before spending a dime. When you're ready, you pay a small monthly fee. No huge upfront investment, just a predictable subscription that fits your needs and budget. There's no need to install anything bulky or worry about compatibility. Just log in from any device, anywhere, and your software is always there, ready to use. Your data is stored securely in the cloud, protected by advanced security measures and accessible from your laptop, tablet, or phone, at home, in the office, or on the go. Need to add a new user or expand your team? It's as simple as updating your subscription online. No more complicated installations or extra hardware. Updates and new features arrive automatically, so you're always using the latest and greatest version. No downloads, no waiting, no extra cost. SaaS is designed for flexibility and collaboration. Whether you're a freelancer working from home or a team in a bustling office, everyone stays connected and productive. No more worrying about lost data or outdated software. Everything is backed up automatically, so your work is always safe and sound. The SaaS provider takes care of all the technical details behind the scenes, maintenance, security, and support, so you can focus on what matters most. For users, it's simpler, safer, and more convenient than ever before. You get peace of mind and more time to do what you love. For businesses, SaaS is a true game changer, enabling growth, innovation, and agility in a fast-moving digital world. That's the power of SaaS, transforming the way we work, connect, and succeed, one subscription at a time. Why do companies love subscriptions? Predictability. In the old model, sales were unpredictable, big spikes, then dry spells. With SaaS, customers pay monthly or yearly, creating steady, reliable income. This is called monthly recurring revenue, or MRR. Predictable revenue lets companies plan, invest, and grow with confidence. They can hire, innovate, and improve their service without worrying about sudden drops. Investors love this stability too. Instead of chasing one-time sales, companies focus on making their service better every day. SaaS turns business into a steady, sustainable stream of success. For SaaS companies, getting a customer is just the start. Because customers can leave any time, companies must work hard to keep them. Many offer free versions or trials like Canva or Zoom to attract users. Once you see the value, you might upgrade for more features. After sign-up, the focus shifts to keeping you happy. SaaS companies invest in customer success, helpful tutorials, tips, and support. They want their software to become essential to your life or business. Data and feedback drive constant improvements. SaaS products are updated weekly, not yearly. The goal, make the product so good you never want to leave. Retention is as important as acquisition. The service keeps evolving, always getting better. That's the SaaS customer journey. What powers SaaS? Two things: cloud computing and AI. The cloud is a global network of powerful servers run by companies like Amazon, Google, and Microsoft. SaaS companies rent server space, scaling up or down instantly as needed. This flexibility lets them serve millions worldwide. AI makes SaaS smarter. Netflix recommends shows, Google Docs suggests edits, and chatbots answer questions 24/7. AI personalizes and improves the experience for every user. Inside SaaS companies, AI analyzes data to spot trends and solve problems. The cloud provides the foundation, AI adds intelligence. Together they make SaaS powerful, scalable, and ever-improving. If you're starting a software company today, SaaS is the way to go. The cost to launch is low. Just rent server space and build online. No need for factories or physical products. Anyone with a good idea and coding skills can start. SaaS lets startups test ideas quickly, gather feedback, and improve fast. Updates can happen daily based on real user data. The subscription model brings predictable revenue, attracting investors. It's easier to grow and scale globally. SaaS is the blueprint for modern tech businesses. It's democratized innovation and made success more accessible. The future is built on SaaS. SaaS is everywhere, woven into your daily routine. Checking Gmail, listening to Spotify, collaborating on Google Slides, these are all SaaS. At work, tools like Slack and Salesforce keep teams connected and productive. Need a ride? Uber and Lyft run on SaaS-like platforms. Ordering food? DoorDash connects you, restaurants, and drivers through software. Even filing taxes with TurboTax Online is SaaS in action. At night, streaming Netflix or Disney Plus is the ultimate SaaS experience. From morning to night, SaaS powers your world. It's not just a tech trend, it's the invisible engine of modern life. You interact with dozens of SaaS services every day. SaaS is the operating system of the digital age. So, why does SaaS rule? Predictable revenue and massive scalability drive growth and innovation. Companies can invest in better products and customer support. Stability means healthier, more resilient businesses. Cloud computing lets SaaS reach anyone, anywhere. The best ideas spread globally, benefiting everyone. SaaS makes software more affordable, accessible, and user-friendly. It's changed how we work, learn, shop, and play. SaaS is the foundation of our digital future. That's a scientific fact.